Hello, welcome back to the show. So this here packaging actually arrived back in December, but unfortunately I was passed on the floor. Thanks, Daniel. So now, after much sleep, I can finally take time to open this box. So let's see what's inside, shall we? Yeah, don't be fooled by the box. I wish it was what the box is, but it's not. Bam! So this here is the Morstorm Eastern model 1/9 scale Ironman Mark 85. Most of you don't know who Eastern model is. They are actually a China-based model kit manufacturer. They've actually done their own line, the ATK Girl line. It's the sexy, scantily clad ladies with robotic insects attached to them. You've probably seen them online. So they've also collaborated with other studios to produce model kits based on famous franchises. They did the 1/6 scale Ultraman line, which they collaborated with Dimension Studios. They've also done 2 from Mega Man, and now they are getting their hands on another Mega franchise, Marvel Studios, starting off with Avengers Endgame. So they actually have a slew of kits lined up for Marvel, Rescue, Iron Spider, Ironman Mark 43, Ironman Mark 50, and War Machine. So this one that I got here is the first from that set lineup. There's apparently 3 versions of this kit. The recoated version, which is, as the name says, is a version of the kit that is coated with special layers. I think it's very much like how Bandai does it with their Gunpla lines. The premium coated version, which I honestly have no idea what's that about. I've not seen any online, but I'm guessing by the name it's a metal finish version because it's Iron Man. And the normal version, which is what I have right here. So this version actually retails for 280 ringgit, while the recoated version goes for 380 ringgit, and the premium coated one is 600 ringgit. That's so expensive. All 3 versions comes with LED lights features, which I know I won't bother or even try to install. So I obviously opted for the normal version, seeing as I would definitely be painting the kit, because no point in spending so much money on something that I can pull off. Well, I mean, I hope I can pull off lah. I just need to make sure that all the practicing I've been doing on those plastic spoons to get that candy coat shiny finish actually pays off. Also, Daniel's tutorials, senpai, notice me senpai. I hope I do you justice. So enough yapping about the kit. Let's actually open and see what's inside. Man, this is actually a pretty huge box. The cover, you can see Ironman Mark 85. On the sides, you can actually see the numerous poses and details. It says here lights, LED lights are installed in the eyes, chest, nano, cannon, backpack and palm, making the bottle shining and more vivid. You lah tu. For painting, yeah. So this is actually a painted version of it. I don't think that's how the kit looks like if it's straight bill. So there's a few other details on the other side, and oh, look at that! See, and if you guys are wondering if this is legit or not, check that out. That's actually a Disney seal of approval. See, Disney, Marvel Studios, Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, Pixar, National Geographic, 20th Century Fox. Man, so yeah, so if you're wondering if this is a legit kit or not, it is definitely a legit kit. Okay, so shwang. Open this. Let's see. Ui. Oi, buka. Oh, cantiknya. Look at that. That's a UV stamping right there. The Avengers logo. That's nice. Not bad. Oh my god. That's a whole lot of runners. Yeah, see? How it looks. The red is atrocious. Yeah, so this kit definitely kena paint. Kalau tak paint, I don't think you're gonna get that same effect that you see on the box. So this is a 1/9 scale. So I think based on what Daniel said, it's slightly smaller than a perfect grade. Wait, no, it's not slightly smaller. Yeah, it's about, I don't know, shoulders length of a 1/6 scale figure. So if you have any 1/6 scale figure, you can actually compare it. So this is actually my first 1/9 scale figure. Oh my goodness, there's so many runners. Die. Hey, comes with batteries. How about that? I thought it didn't come with batteries. Oh, what do you know? Save money. My battery. And what is this? Oh, this is the, I think this is the LED parts. Oh no, wait. The hands. The blast effects. You can see here. Oh, what else is there? Yeah, just hands. So I don't know if you can see that. There's like a hole right there. I think that's where the LED goes in through the hands, where it lights up lah. I think that's how it goes. I've not built it yet. Daniel actually has built it, so I might just get his point of, get him to actually help me with the build. What the hell is this? Oh, damn. See, this is the circuit board for the light up features. Check it out. So cool. So I don't know where this goes. Oh wait. Oh, the hell is this? These are stickers. Okay. And I'm guessing apa ni? Notes for filling in after sale card. Oh, power also? After sale card. So they got a WeChat contact here. I don't know what this is for. Problems such as expired after sale service or man-made damage to the product, the player the player may choose to apply for the parts. Oh, okay. So what this is if any of the parts are damaged or missing, or you want it to be replaced, you know, by any in case you damaged it, or you know, you want to just order a particular runner, you can actually order that. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, Q2. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, Q2. That's nice. Bandai, take note. This could be a lifesaver for a lot of collectors. So I've actually lost count on how many runners there are. Alamak, buka. So this one's open. Oh, so this is the base. This is also besar. So I have lost count as to how many runners are there, and I don't think I'm gonna bother counting them. Banyak gila kot. So this is gonna take me quite an effort to build. So I'm gonna put all this back. Alamak. See ya. I swear to God, this thing is like a puzzle. The moment you take every runner out of the box. So when it goes into the box, it's perfect. It fits perfectly, right? When you open it, you buka and then you try to put it back, you can never get the ratio right to ensure that all the runners fit. I have no idea. Okay, boleh kot. Okay. Okay. Let's check out the manual. It's quite nice. Man, this finish can me. I mean, if I'm like a pro, boleh kot. Damn, but that's nice. If I can actually get as close as I can to how this looks like or how the box art looks like, then I'm good. Palm lights, remove. I see. As I said just now, there was a hole there. Oh, cool! You can do a superhero pose, the superhero landing pose. The stretching structure on the thigh root significantly increases the movable range of the whole leg. Oh, okay. So this promises to be a very, very articulated figure. Oh, ambil kau. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, forget. I'm not gonna count. That's a lot. Looks pretty straightforward. I will definitely have to refer to Daniel. Senpai, help me. Yeah, this is definitely going to be challenging for my die. So I usually take pretty long to build one kit, depending on how much effort I put into it. Basically scribing, painting and all that. Usually take about a month to actually just finish building it out of the box, not even painting it. So including painting and detailing and everything, I one figure actually can run me for about like 2-3 months. So this I don't have to detail because there's no scribing required, but it looks quite complicated to do. I'm guessing this is gonna take me anywhere between 2 to 4 months to finish. I don't know how long Daniel did. I better go check with him. Hey Daniel, how long did it take for you to actually build this? Let us know in the comment section below, okay? Well, that's our show for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick unboxing of the Morstorm Eastern model Ironman Mark 85 1 night scale model kit. I don't know when I'm gonna start building because I have a ton of backlogs. But if you want to see the final product, I suggest you head on down to Dante Gunpla's channel, which he actually built one. So if you want to see how that looks like, head on down to his channel. I will leave a link in the description below. So as always, please stay safe. You know, wear a mask, social distance, wash your hands, sanitize your hands, avoid crowded places because, you know, we're in the 4-digit realm right now. So just please be careful, please stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next video.